Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's look at this example. We have been given that sum of n terms of a series is given by s of n equal to c into n square. We have to find out what is the sum of n square terms. That means sum of the square of all these terms. What is the sum of that? So to start with, let's try to understand how this arithmetic series are basically how this series looks like. Okay, right. So we have been given sum of n terms is equal to cn square. What we will try to do is try to understand how the terms of this particular series will be. For that I will write down S1 is equal to c into 1 square, that's equal to c. S2 is equal to c into 2 square, that's equal to 4c. And I know S3 is equal to c into 3 square, that's equal to 9c. Now what's the meaning of this? Sum of 1 equal to c tells me that A1 is equal to c. Sum of two terms equal to 4c means A1 plus A2 is equal to 4c. That gives me that A2 equal to 3c. Similarly, sum of three terms is A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal to 9c. That tells me that A3 is equal to 5c. So we know now this particular series how it looks like. The values, the numbers will be, first one will be, the first term is c, second term is 3c, third term is 5c. What will be nth term of this series? Nth term of this series will be 2n minus 1 into c. You can check that. If you want, you can apply the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, c plus n minus 1 into 2c, because here a is c and d is equal to 2c. If you apply t of n formula, you get 2n minus 1 into c. But what we want sum of n square terms. So first I have to find out tn, then I'll find out what will be the square of your nth term. Tn whole square I have to do, because I have to find out sum of n square terms. That is nothing but 2n minus 1 whole square into c square, that is equal to 4n square minus 4n plus 1 into c square. C square into 4n square minus 4n plus 1. This is our sigma tn square. That's the, now you want sigma of that, right? Because you want sum of all of them. So can I write down sigma of t of n square is equal to, I have to apply sigma on this. I'll take c square out. I will write down 4 into sigma n square, because I have to add all the terms. Then again 4 sigma n plus sigma of 1. So I hope this is clear. We found out what is the series. We found that actually if you understand, sum of first odd n numbers is n square. So directly without doing this, you know that that's nothing but we are talking about odd numbers. Like 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, which are nothing but perfect squares. So the series is c plus 3c plus 5c, like that. Its n term is 2n minus 1 into c. We are interested in sum of squares of these n terms. That means I have to first go to tn, then square it up, then I have to put sigma on top of it, so that I can find out the sum of all the n square terms. So let's go to the next step. Next step will be, we'll take c square out, that is lower c square. Then what is sigma n square formula? That is 4 into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. We know that sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 4 into sigma n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus sigma 1. 1 you do n times, that's nothing but equal to n. Now we'll try to simplify this. We'll take c square common as it is. First we'll try to simplify the first two terms. So I can simplify this. I can say 2 2's are will cancel. 2 will go 2 times here and 2 will go 3 times here. What I can take common from both of them? I can take 2n into n plus 1. I can take common. If I take LCM, I will have, if I take 2n into n plus 1 common, I will have 2n plus 1 minus 3. What we have done, we have taken 2n into n plus 1 common. After that we have taken the one step I have skipped, but I think you should be okay with that. I took 2n into n plus 1 outside. I got 2n plus 1 by 3 minus 1. That's nothing but 2n plus 1 minus 3 by 3 plus n. Let me just go back and write down this in detail. So we'll write it in detail. We will say c square. We will take 2n into n plus 1 common. 2n into n plus 1 common from the first two terms. What is left out here is 2n plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. This is a step which I have missed earlier. Then plus n. Now we try to simplify this. We will get c square into 2n into n plus 1 into 2n minus 2. That I have to add it to n, and you have here divided by 3. Let's go to the next step. I take c square outside. Then this is, can I write down 4 into n into, because 2 into 2n minus 2 is 2 into n minus 1. I can say 2 into 2 4 n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 divided by 3 plus n. Next step will be, I'll write it as c square into 4n. I can take n also common, n c square. This n is gone, so we are left out with 4 into n square minus 1 plus 3 divided by 3, which is equal to n c square into 4n square minus 4 plus 3, that is 4n square minus 1 divided by 3. So that's our solution. It's very simple. Only the thing is you have to just simplify. First we have to understand what is the arithmetic series. We understood that is c plus 3c plus 5c. That means it's nothing but sum of first n odd positive numbers, n odd numbers multiplied with c. So you know what is Tn? Tn is 2n minus 1 into c. Then what is the square of that? 2n minus 1 whole square into c square. That is 4n square minus 4n plus 1. But this is one term only. We have to find out the sum of that. So you have to go to individual terms and you have to apply sigma there. So sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n square, sigma n, and sigma 1 you are adding n times is nothing but 1 into n. You just simplify it, you will be getting your answer, nc square into 4n square minus 1 by 3. So we'll do some more interesting examples like this in the coming session. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.